Mosin Nagant, Model 9130, test firing of a threaded AK-74 style muzzle brake. We set up a silhouette target 300 yards away. We're going to be shooting with a 7-power long eye relief scope. Watch the muzzle blast and notice almost no muzzle rise. The blast goes out to the sides. The Mosin doesn't kick like a mule anymore. It kicks more like an AK-47. I could have shot 50 to 100 rounds that day with no problems. Watch these bushes from another angle. Five different people shot the Mosin that day with the muzzle brake on it. They all agreed it was very effective. We only had a rifle that was sighted in with a laser bore, and we all hit what we were shooting at. The threaded muzzle brake is as solid as a rock and very effective. You can get yours and the tools to install it with at cncwarrior.com. Shoots like a Mosin, kicks like an AK-47.